Welcome to this explainer. Today we're tackling the physical layer of the CompTIA Network Plus exam.
Thinking you know cable issues? Well, these 3 common mistakes could actually cost you your certification.
Mistake number 1, confusing straight-through and crossover cables. It's a guaranteed way to lose easy points.
Simply put, straight-through connects different devices, like a PC to a switch. Crossovers connect similar ones. For the exam, remember, straight-through matches wiring on both ends, while crossover totally swaps those pairs.
So, how's CompTIA test this? Imagine you're connecting 2 legacy switches that totally lack auto MDIX.
Boom! The answer is a crossover cable. Since they're similar legacy devices, you need that crossover.
All right, moving on to mistake 2, falling into the diagnostic tool trap. Don't use the wrong gear.
Enter the TDR. It's like X-ray vision for copper cables, measuring the exact distance to a break.
Check out this comparison. A TDR is vastly different from your basic everyday multimeter.
See, a multimeter only checks basic continuity, but a TDR pinpoints the actual physical location of damage.
Exam scenario. You need to find the exact location of a cut copper cable. Which tool wins? It's the TDR, hands down. A multimeter just can't pinpoint that physical location for you.
Finally, mistake 3. What invisible threat is silently killing your network throughput? It's EMI, or electromagnetic interference. It's external electrical noise that totally corrupts your data signals.
The exam loves using things like fluorescent lights or elevator motors as the sneaky culprits here.
To fix this, identify the source, then route away from power or use shielded twisted pair cables. Here's the scenario. Network drops happen only when the office lights turn on. What's the cause?
Yup, you guessed it. It's EMI from those fluorescent lighting ballasts. Classic CompTIA trap right there. Master your cables, your tools, and your EMI sources to completely crush these exam traps.
Avoid these mistakes, and you're golden. But tell me, what other invisible threats are lurking in your network?
Over 1 million learners use ABC e-learning apps to pass IT exams. Find us in the bio.